Looking for a reliable partner for your glove business? Your search ends here. Did you know that we are the Chinese leading manufacturer and exporter of high-quality rubber gloves? That's right. From the shelves of your local supermarket to your favorite online store, chances are you've seen our products. We supply top-tier gloves to distributors, e-commerce giants, and retail chains all across the globe. Our secret? Unbeatable quality, massive production capacity, and a commitment to our partners' success. Plus, we offer comprehensive OEM services, allowing you to build your own brand with our trusted products. Whether you're a startup or an established enterprise, we have the perfect solution to help your business grow. Let's build a successful partnership together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates.